YouTube, what's up, good people? Hey, man, it's your boy Weezy from the Weezy Reactions YouTube channel. Hey, I've been doing YouTube for about 3 years, inconsistently. Now, since I have decided to start going full blaze, going in, posting every day, going live, what have you, my channel has been seeing better numbers, man. And I want to give a shout out to the brother Dante London for his advice. The titles. YouTube is actually easy. Since I started putting into my title, I have started seeing more views. My video has been ranking on homepage, which before my videos would take a few days just to get 1, 2, 3 views. Now I'm seeing like 10 views, 20 views. In a day I saw like 100 views. Some of my videos got a couple of thousand, so at this point I'm just like, man, this brother is on to something. Let me keep trying it out. Let me keep posting, keep trying out his recommendations, his titles, his hashtags, 3 hashtags, hashtag life, hashtag purpose, hashtag YouTube, I believe. Yes, hashtag YouTube. And it seems like it's working, man. I'm still testing it out. Time will tell. But YouTube seems to be pushing new channels or small channels. So if you have a small channel, get on YouTube. If you haven't started yet, get on YouTube. But if you have started and you're a small channel, keep posting every day or every other day, minimum once a week. Talk about your life as far as what you do for a living, how are you surviving, how you making ends meet. Put those hashtags on it. Life, purpose, YouTube, because YouTube will push you. YouTube algorithm needs to have data on you. They need to have enough videos on you to know where to place you. So they will keep trying you out in different areas and pushing you to different people. Eventually, people will catch on. The algorithm is good at what it does. It will find people that's interested in your content. Now, let your content be as informative as possible. Whatever you like to do, things that you've learned that you can share that may help other people can go a long way. And to help, until your view count going up. Until eventually your channel skyrocket into a degree where you're able to get monetized and get the subscribers you need. Once you get that and you get your a substantial amount of subscribers, then if you want to start venturing off, trying new things and trying to zone in on a niche, then you could probably do that too. But start off on what works. Start off, let me repeat. Start off on what works. If you start off on what works, you are helping the algorithm push your content. Remember, you can create content just because you like to do it. But you got to ask yourself, what's your ultimate goal? Are you creating content just to bypass time? Or are you creating content to either bypass time and eventually make some money? If it's something you like to do, then it would be kind of wise to actually make some money off it. See, nothing wrong with that. I'm just sitting here drinking a Modelo and talking to y'all because I think this is important. YouTube is changing my life slowly. And that's cool. I don't need no overnight success. I don't need a huge success. If it comes, it comes. But what it's allowing me to do is break out of a shell. I've been in a shell all my life, just really reserved, introvert. And that's cool. But part of me didn't want to just be an introvert. I was kind of craving, putting myself out there a little bit more, with balance, of course. I don't need to be the life of the party. That was never me. I'm cool. I don't have to be that. But yeah, man, I'm telling you, it's helping me out with coming out of my bubble, so to speaking to the camera, which ultimately translates to speaking to other people, even in the real world. I do socialize, but for the most part, I stay to myself. Even when I was working at a 9 to 5, I would go to work, mind my business, do what I had to do, get out of there. But this is one way how YouTube is helping me to socialize more, you know. And plus, when you see those numbers and those views start rising up, man, the feeling you get, man, it's overwhelming sometimes. You on your YouTube studio, you keep refreshing, 2 views, 5 views, 50 views, 100 views. And it's like, damn, I'm about to go somewhere. I'm about to blow up. You know what I mean? That's how it feels. But yeah, man. So you get on YouTube, create your video. Don't put too much thought into it. You know what I mean? That's what stops a lot of creators or potential creators, is because they think they have to have this whole thing mapped out and this whole game plan. You know, they think they got to have on a suit. They think they got to have a haircut. They think they got to have all these things, the best lighting, the best camera, all these things, when you don't. You can use your iPhone, your Android. You can use the cheapest camera, and and you just go on there and just record. Press that button. Boop. Start recording. And then once you do that, you upload it. You may be a little nervous, like you don't know how the people going to perceive this or how they're going to take it. Get that out your mind. Who cares? I don't give a shit. If I see a video and it don't look too good, I'm not going to say, oh, look at this little crappy video. I don't care. If it's something I can get out of it, then cool. You know, I can deal with the grainy footage. If it's something I can get out of it, or if it's some sort of entertainment or information that I can get out of it, I don't care about the grain, how grainy it is. I don't care if it's a little too dark. But get on YouTube. Let it change your life. Let it help you. Now, when I say let YouTube change your life, I'm not saying YouTube is its own entity like it's God or something. No. It can be used as a vessel to change your life if you're looking for some sort of change. This could be for you, and it may not be for you. You know, it may not be, but you don't know until you try it out. But so if you have a burning desire to try it out, then I highly suggest that you do. Get on there and try it out, man. YouTube is making it easy for new channels, for small channels to grow. They are throwing views at you like it's a football and you're a running back. I mean, a wide receiver or something, and they're just passing them. You know what I mean? Hail Marys, boom, 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 boom. Get on there and do that thing, man. What you waiting on? I'm an average dude, living an average life with above average kids. And I say that because I'm their father, but above average kids, man. But I'm an average dude, living an average life. And I never thought that I would get on YouTube and put myself in front of a camera and start talking to people and start creating. I didn't think that, but here I am now. I'm about 1,100 hours away from being monetized. Guess when I got all those hours? Guess how many days it took me to get 2,700 hours of watch time? 2 days. 2 days. You said 2 days. That doesn't happen for everybody, but it can happen for you. You know what I mean? You never know. Sometimes that Hail Mary is just thrown at you, and then you got to be there to catch it. Bam. Touchdown, baby. It is what it is. So start that YouTube channel, man. Use the right hashtags. Go with the title that's working. Go check out the brother Dante London's page. Listen to his story. Listen to his inspiration. He's an average guy just like you. He's average just like me. And don't worry about if you see any other hating videos out there. You know what I mean? There's always some haters. There's always some trolls. It's going to be that way. And plus, the higher you climb, the more haters come out the woodworks. Don't worry about it, man. The guy, Dante London. I saw his video, and as soon as I saw his video, I picked up my iPhone, put it on a stand, started recording. You know when you get those spurts of motivation, when you get when something hits you and you get that instant motivation, that instant inspiration, a lot of the times we let it just bypass. You know what I mean? And then it goes away until one day it comes back. Capitalize off that every time you feel it. And then in between those feelings, you push yourself. That's how you stay consistent. But strategize. Strategize with your content. Look at what's working. He gave us the blueprint of how he's doing it, so maybe it can work for you too. It's working for me. I'm almost there. 1,100 more hours, I'll be monetized. It's working. It has to be. I'm on YouTube homepage. I was never on no YouTube homepage. You know what I mean? The browser, YouTube search, YouTube homepage. I'm just waiting for one day I wake up and one of my videos that I just used my iPhone for, you know what I mean, started recording. I'm just waiting for one of those days when I wake up and I check my YouTube studios and my view count says 50,000, hopefully 70,000, maybe even 100,000. Because honestly, when I make videos, I don't always feel good about the video afterwards because I still have that mindset that I'm trying to get out of that's still haunting me a little bit. Like, who wants to listen to you? That's what stops us. You think you ain't good enough. We don't need validation from people. You know what I mean? I know the view count can feel like validation or the lack thereof. There's so many people in this world. It's just waiting for your video, my video, to get to the right people. It's, you know how they say it's somebody for everybody? There's a video for everybody. There's a topic for everybody. You know? There's a scenario for everybody. So yeah, make that video. You could possibly bring in 5,000, 10,000, 15, 20,000 hours a month off of the video you thought nobody wanted to see. Off your voice, the voice you thought nobody wanted to hear. But it was people out there in the world waiting. It was people out there in the world that knew. As soon as they saw you or heard a few words, they saw your greatness, right? It's just time for you to see your greatness. You see your greatness. You know it's there, buddy. You know it's there, sister. You see your greatness. You know? YouTube is actually making it easy for small content creators to grow, to blow up on this platform. It can change your life. It could do it overnight. It could take a week. Could take a few months. It could take a few years. I don't know your destiny as far as YouTube is concerned, or any part of your destiny. But guess what? You don't know it either. Your destiny, as far as this YouTube thing, could be right around the corner. Right around the corner. Stop being scared. Stop acting like you don't know what time it is. Get to this money. Get to this bag. You know what I mean? Chase your dreams. Bet on you. You ain't a sucker. We don't do sucker mode. We on sucker free mode. And that includes yourself. You know what I mean? You got this. I'm getting to it. Ain't nothing stopping me. As far as if I can help it, nothing stopping me. If the Most High got a different plan for me, then it is what it is. But I'm going to keep pushing. Either way. Dante London. Go check him out. See what he has to say. And if you up for the task, try it out. Dante London, check him out, try it out, record, post, hashtag life, hashtag purpose, hashtag YouTube, title, YouTube is actually easy. YouTube is actually on easy mode. This is how YouTube is changing my life. You know? And then go for it. And with that being said, Weezy Reactions. Love y'all. Peace.